Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. So for today's video, I'm gonna teach you how to apply for unemployment in Florida. So first, of course, you have to know if you are eligible for the unemployment benefits. And of course, the first eligibility is you must have lost your job through no fault of your own, and you won't qualify if you quit for personal reasons or were terminated for malicious misconduct where job performance does not disqualify you. And another eligibility is you must be totally or partially unemployed. Next is you must have earned at least $3,400 before taxes in what is called the base period, which is the first four complete quarters beginning 18 months prior to your claim. And lastly, you must be able to work, available to work, and actively seeking work. This includes being able to get a job and have childcare if necessary. To know more information about eligibility, you can contact your local career source, Florida Center. You can know their contact details by following this link. Now you have to prepare for your claim. And for you to be able to apply for the benefits, you will need the following. That includes your SSN or Social Security number, driver's license or state ID number, and information on your employment over the past 18 months, including these requirements that you can see on your screen. And some workers will need to provide additional information such as alien registration number for non-US citizens. For military employees, they must provide the 214 member copy 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, or 8. And federal employees must provide SF8 and SF50. And union members must provide the union's name, hall number, and phone number. And then next, you can now start filing your unemployment claim. Just click on this link. You will then be redirected to connect myflorida.com, and here you will be prompted to log in to your account. Enter in your Florida Commerce login credentials, and if you still don't have account, make sure that you create one just by clicking on the sign up now button. Then once logged into your account, just follow all the on-screen prompts and provide details when necessary. So that's pretty much it. Thank you very much for watching this video, and I'll see you again on the next one. Bye!